Senior citizens 75 years and older are being encouraged to sign up to benefit from support under the Social Pension Program. Prime Minister Andrew Holness made the appeal during a visit to 105-year-old Winifred Stearns' Lords Road home in Kingston on Friday. He says, quote, "They are entitled to it even if they were not employed or were not contributing to a pension because we have taken the position that the vulnerable in our society, we have to protect them." End quote. Mr. Holness says seniors without a pension are unable to go out and work for money or find alternative means of income. He notes as well that their children may not be able to take care of them, hence the importance of putting in place this social pension. The Social Pension Program targets seniors who are not currently in receipt of a pension, retirement, old age or disability benefit or income, or are not living in a government institutionalized care facility and are generally described as vulnerable. For seniors who are unable to visit the offices, their caregiver or someone acting on behalf of that senior can submit an application to the ministry. The senior citizen or representative will be required to complete an application form accompanied by the individual's tax registration number, TRN, proof of age in the form of a birth certificate or a valid passport. They should also take along a valid identification such as a driver's license, passport, or voter's identification.